How do you write curved text like this in MS Word? For this, go to the Insert tab and insert the text box. Then write your text in the text box. Now customize it a little bit so that it looks beautiful. Now go to Shape Format and then click on Wrap Text and select Behind Text. Now click on Text Effects and move your mouse on Transform and select this curved text effect. Now drag and drop to adjust. This was today's video. I hope you like it. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.